how to find channels on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find channels on Telegram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a method 1, that is to use the Telegram search. So here, you can simply open the Telegram app on your phone and here make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, then you can simply type the channel name and keyword, and after that you can just tap on the channel tab, and there you can simply select the channel that you want to join, and there you can just tap on join. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to join using channel links. So there, if you already have a link, then what you can do is simply copy the channel link, for example t.me slash and channel name, and from there you can simply paste it in Telegram search or any browser, and from there you can simply tap on join to join the channel. And that's it. That's how you can find channels on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.